want you to stay. I want you to stay.
Hi, this is Rexel, and in this video we will flash Palladium OS. And okay, let's go flash. Let's go to wipe and wipe the partition that we need to wipe. Select Delbic Cache System Vendor Data. We need to wipe these partitions. Okay, swipe to wipe. Now go to the folder where you have placed the files or you have downloaded the files. You need Android 11 firmware. Let's go flash the firmware first. Android 11 firmware and swipe to flash. Now back. Now select Palladium OS, that is the custom ROM. Add to queue. Now select NIC GApps. This is vanilla version. If you are flashing GApps version, then you don't need to flash NIC GApps, just flash the Palladium OS. Now let's wait for some times so to get this complete flashing. Quick human verification. Please prove that you are not a robot by subscribing the channel and also turn on the notification bell. Congrats, you are now verified human. Okay, it's flashed, right? Now you can just reboot into system if your phone is encrypted, but if your phone is not encrypted, then we need to flash DFE to disable forced encryption. Now my phone is decrypted, so I will flash disable DMBRG. Okay, swipe to flash. It's flashing. Okay, it's flashed, and now just reboot into system. Okay, we have successfully flashed. We didn't get any boot loop, right? So this custom ROM comes with Snaplight kernel, and this is good for gaming. It has 675 GPU overclock, gaming mode, and thermal profiles for gaming. So you can try this ROM for gaming, and you can customize UI, your notification color, system icon, and yeah, the camera is also good. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel, also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new video in the future. Peace out. Goodbye.